Pass the word. What I got?
Ever since somebody mentioned it the other day, Rick's been hungry for
Tuna Noodle Casserole.
So?
My mom used to always make it, and I forgot how. I know I made it by myself already. So I asked my sister, Terry Ann, and she reminded me how my mom made it.
So that's what we're going to do.
Because my mom didn't remember.
Well, we're going to make Mom's recipe, right?
Yeah, a little different though, because we're going to put a can of cream of mushroom soup in and a can of cheddar cheese soup. That'll be good, because we only had one can of mushroom, but cheese will be good because we're putting cheese in anyway, right?
Right, it'll make it creamy.
And I have the water boiling already over here.
So in addition to the egg noodles, we're going to use a 12-ounce can of white tuna. We're going to use some butter, some breadcrumbs for a topping. We're going to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese shreds and a can of peas.
Can of peas.
Now you can add any kind of veggie you want.
Yeah.
You can add frozen peas or anything that you like.
All right, so let's get started. Let's get closer over here, right?
Okay, so Rick's boiling
All in the water.
He's going to boil the egg noodles. I'm going to start making the creamy sauce. All right?
12 ounces of extra wide egg noodles from Wegmans. My water's ready.
All right, just a couple minutes over there because we are going to put it in the toaster oven or the oven to finish it.
That's right. You put it in the oven. It gets kind of crunchy on top sometimes.
Well, it's going to get crunchy because we're going to put the breadcrumbs on there.
Yeah, but my mom put it in the gas oven. It doesn't matter, right?
No.
We're going to use the Story multi-color oven. Is that what that is over there?
Yeah. Yep, we're using that. Okay, let's go over here and get the sauce ready.
All right.
All right, I'm going to start by opening the cheddar cheese soup and the cream of mushroom soup. We're going to add some milk to this too, we didn't mention.
Oh yeah, how much? Cup?
About a cup, yeah.
Why is it always a cup?
Well, we can add a can full of milk. How's that?
Cow milk?
Cow milk.
I put salt in my noodles. Oh yeah, because we mixed the soup with milk, so.
Right, so go ahead and fill that can.
And cream of cheese.
Cheese, look how creamy.
Oh yeah.
Haha. Get that right out.
A little salt and water.
How about putting a little milk in this can to get out all the...
Yeah, the recipe probably calls for it anyway, right?
Well, I don't know.
Shake it out good. Shake it up. Not enough or you want full can?
That's excellent. Then, how's those noodles coming over there?
Hot.
All right, do you want to open the tuna and the peas? And I'll measure out 2 cups of sharp cheddar shredded cheese.
We're going to drain this can of tuna, right?
Yeah, drain the water. Now we bought the tuna that's packed in water because I don't like the extra oil. But if you want to drain the water out, that would be nice.
I wonder why, I noticed, I love this can opener because we got it as a gift.
Yes, we do.
And I wonder why we never had an electric can opener. All the gadgets
Well, we
have.
did, but they always cracked out.
Well, that's something that takes up room on the counter too.
Yeah.
That's probably why. Well, they have the under cabinet type.
Yeah. So 2 cups, right? Throw that in. In the meantime,
I squeeze out the tuna.
I'm going to take a half a stick of butter and melt it in the microwave. Yep. That's going to get melted. And this is what we're going to make the breadcrumbs with. So they're nice and crispy on top. So let me just put that in for a few seconds.
Pass the word. Almost ready. Oh I didn't open the peas.
Nope. I'm going to put the tuna in here now. We're using solid white albacore tuna from Bumblebee. And this is really a nice tuna. But look at how nice and white meat this is.
I'm going to drain the peas.
All right.
So what kind of a fish has two knees?
I don't know what kind.
A toonie fish. You don't know that joke? Should I pour this in?
Go ahead.
Oh, that looks good.
Doesn't it?
Could use frozen peas just as well. Sometimes they taste fresher or they're crispier or something. I don't know what it
Yeah,
is.
that's whatever you have. Always feel free to substitute in our recipes because we do a lot of that depending what we have in our cabinets and
Yeah,
refrigerator.
we're putting cheese in there now.
Right, that's how you save money and make good use of what you have.
Chicken soup too, anything.
Yeah.
And you could use the can of chicken that's like tuna, you know? Chicken noodle casserole. Ooh, that sounds good.
Oh, we're making recipes. All right, now I have this 2-cup measuring cup with the butter melted in the bottom, and I'm just going to pour some breadcrumbs in. I'm going to guess about a cup.
I gave you a sample there.
Oh, we want to see how the noodle's coming along. Woo. A little bit more.
Then we're going to put the noodles in that pan too.
Right.
Is that pan big enough?
Oh, yeah. We could add some seasonings right now. Some pepper.
Anything? No.
You could add salt at this point if you like to add salt.
Garlic, cumin,
You want to add any other
curry,
herbs and
onion,
spices?
onion powder, onion salt,
How about some onion
flakes, the
flakes?
dehydrated whatever they are,
Yeah, they're minced onions.
popcorn.
We try to keep our food a little on the low salt side, so we use a lot of other flavors.
But we're going to dip it with Fritos.
Well,
Yeah.
no, we're not. Are we?
No. Oh, minced onions, see?
Minced onions adds a lot of flavor. Think about that instead of salt. Okay,
These noodles, what did you think of that test noodle?
I thought a little bit more, but now I think it's about ready. I'm going to warm up the toaster oven here, the Kasori friend of ours.
That's right there. Down the road. Our tower of appliances.
30 minutes at 350. Okay, you think we're ready on the
I
noodles?
guess you want me to strain it?
Yeah, we can strain it right into the, oh, they look good.
Pot holders.
All right, I got the colander over here.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Can we eat it now? Oh, we're gonna get a crunchy on top.
See, it fits, right? I'm just gonna fold it in. Keep those noodles nice and whole. Look so creamy.
That's it, right?
That's it.
Oh, did you put the tuna in? You could put in more tuna if you'd like. You think there's enough?
Yeah, some people put in 2 small cans. I just had a large can.
Do you see a lot of tuna?
And yeah, we have chunks. It's very nice tuna.
Alright. We could eat it right now.
Yes, but we're gonna crunch it up on the top. You want to do the crumbs?
Oh, you can, because I'm back here.
Okay.
Oh, see? Trying to-
All right. See, I think that's pretty well mixed. Don't you think so?
Yep.
And I'm gonna just take these crumbs here and I'm gonna crunch them into the butter a little bit.
You're just gonna put that all on top right now.
Yeah. And because
Ooh.
the butter's in there, it's
How
gonna
about
get-
more cheese? Is that going on top too, or no?
No, cheese is in. 2
Okay.
cups. Plus the cheese soup. So let's just spread this around.
Yeah.
We're gonna fool around with this a little bit here, just so it all has some nice topping. Oh
Pie
gosh.
crust. You should put a crust on the bottom too.
Why didn't we eat this for years?
I know.
This looks so good.
In the oven.
All right, in the oven, 350 degrees for half an hour.
There we go. Half an hour. Holy cow.
I know,
All
it's hard
right.
to wait, but
I'll go get a shower and straighten up the kitchen a little bit. Or straighten up and then go get a shower.
okay.
Then it'll be time to eat. All right?
Yep.
Can't wait.
Can't wait.
Looks like 9 minutes left. 9.5 minutes. Look at it. Oh, that looks good. Closey dart. It beeped. It's done. I hear a little sizzling. Do you?
How's it look over there?
Looks good. Has to be done, right?
Yep.
Can make it browner. What's the name of this pan? La Crusade.
Crusade.
Did you mention that yet?
Cast iron beauty.
Woo! There it is.
Wow, that looks good, doesn't it?
Yep. Ooh. Let's eat it. Spoon it out. We're gonna eat it.
Let's just let it sit for 1 minute here.
Yeah. Boy, it looks good.
We always burn our tongues on these.
Ooh, hear it? Mmm. Hurry up.
Okay, let's see. What happened to your fork? Oh, it's in your hand.
Yeah, I'm saving it.
Okay. So you like the crunchiness of the
Yep.
top. Oh my gosh. And I like the creaminess inside.
Mmm.
Oh my gosh. I'm afraid I'm going to make a mess here.
You can do it.
Oh,
That's good.
I'll give you a little crunchiness for the taste. Oh my gosh. How's that look?
Looks good.
Oh, let's do another one.
Peas, cheese, butter,
I could see a lot of vegetables in here,
tuna.
right?
You could.
Oh my gosh.
I think it's about 200 degrees.
Come on over. Let's taste
All right.
it.
Think it's too hot yet? My fork. Your fork.
Be careful.
Look at it.
Nice. You want a bite of that, don't you? Huh?
Let me turn it. I'll make it now.
Yeah.
It's a good idea, and it's easy. Ooh, I got everything in there.
Oh boy.
Tuna, cheese, peas.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers. Not too hot.
Cool off.
Creamy.
Oh gosh. That's good memories, huh?
Creamy. Crunchy. I love it.
Good stuff. Good recipe to keep in our file for every once in a while. Not wait 10 years to eat it.
Thanks for watching. Try this. Try it any way you like. Chicken noodle.
It's a good comfort food
Oodles of noodles. Vegetable.
for a nice cold winter
Yeah.
day.
Please subscribe and pass the word to all your friends.
Yep. Pass the word.
Bye.
Bye.
Have you eat it all? No.
Oh, but it's good.